So I'm super happy. I've fixed my tune. It is rocking now. Absolutely rocking. Listen to this baby. The first auto tune session, but it's not a zero base map, I would call it. It's done off of the tuner map on the dyno, and then I've made little tweaks. So that's successfully mapped. Into Bluetooth, auto tune, quick setup. Use this bottom map number 6 as my base. of the map. I'm just going to apply the values. So just flashing the latest auto-tune update map to the bike. This is about the 6th or 7th map I've updated, and it just keeps getting better. More and more smooth, more and more responsive. Just applying another map on the auto-tune. That's probably about the 7th map now, I think. It just keeps learning and I just keep applying after every run. Different kinds of runs, sometimes stuck in traffic and sometimes out on the highway blasting. So yeah, and I notice a huge improvement. I think this auto-tune feature is highly underrated. It's really good feature. Love it. So after it's flashed, you just wait 30 seconds and then it will ask for the bike again, so you have to turn on the ignition. It just waits to find the Bluetooth. Once it's found it, it's mapped. Just tell you map transferred and we're done. Okay, so just going into Tonbury to collect my hog stuff. Got some hog patches. Camera was off by mistake. I'm going to do another, apply this map. We've learned some more. I'm loving this auto-tune. It's making a huge difference. Once we get this map applied, it just keeps getting better. Flashing the new map. Yeah, this is auto-tune is a really cool feature. If your bike has got any, it's running lean, running rich, run the auto-tune and it'll fix it. I've already fixed the rear cylinder. I'm just trying to iron out the last kink, which I think was on the front cylinder running slightly rich. So flashed it, waiting for 30 seconds. Now put the ignition on. Will enable the electronics, fire up the FP3 and it will sync up and confirm the flash. Alright, map transferred successfully. Still got this trouble code, but it's going away because it used to have front and rear. Now we've just got front. But I'm going to clear the trouble codes and see, but
reappears next time I'm riding. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I guess the moral of the story here is if your bike is running a little lean or a little rich and it's not smooth or exactly how you want it, and you've got the FP3 or another tuner box, the Dyno Jet or Screaming Eagle, give it a try. Try the features. I learned a lot about the FP3 during this last few weeks, and I've noticed a huge improvement on my bike. Really, really impressed with it now. If you're enjoying all the Harley content, please subscribe for more, and feel free to like and comment on the video as well. Alright, have a nice day guys, take care.